Hello children! Today we are going to learn how to write the numbers from 1 to 20. Parents, I am Vendrila ma'am and I have been associated with Pluto since 2018. In this video, we are going to share the process how to write the numbers from 1 to 20 in the same way it is taught in school. Children, now let's clap the numbers from 1 to 20 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So come on all of you, do it with me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, that's good. So now children, we are going to learn how to write the numbers. So tell me, which is our first number? Yes, it's 1. So now all of you look at the board. See, there are 2 blocks. It is exactly the same way that you can see in your maths copy. So, number 1 is a single digit number. So, we are going to write number 1 under O. O stands for ones and T stands for tens. So, first I am going to put a dot in the middle of the block. Now children, I am going to write number 1 from this dot. Number 1 is a standing line. So I am drawing a standing line. See, I have touched the bottom line of the block. So when you are writing, you should be very careful that your number should touch the bottom line of the block and your number should not go beyond this block. Number 1 is very simple and it looks like a standing line. After 1, the next number is number 2. Now children, we are going to write number 2. For that, I am going to put a dot again in the middle of the block, and from this dot, we are going to draw a big curve like this and a sleeping line. Okay? See children, again I am showing it to you. A big curve and a sleeping line will make the number 2. So children, this is number 2. Now children, tell me, which number comes after 2? Yes, it's number 3. So how we will write number 3? For that, we have to draw 2 curves. Let's see. I am putting a dot again in the middle. From this dot, I am going to draw one curve first like this, and then I am going to draw another curve like this. Look children, again I have touched the bottom line of the block, and be very careful children, your writing should not go beyond this block. So this is number 3. Children, now we are going to learn how to write number 4. Let's see how does number 4 look like. For that, I am going to put a dot again in the middle of the block, and from this dot, first I am going to draw a small standing line like this. Okay? From here, I am going to draw a sleeping line now. And then what I'll do? I'll do another standing line. See, this is number 4 and my number 4 has already touched the bottom line of the block. Let us revise the numbers that we have written till now. 1, 2, 3, 4 and now we are going to write 5. Okay, so children, let's see how we will write number 5. First, I am giving the dot in the middle of the block. From this dot, I am going to draw a standing line. Okay? Like this. Then I am going to draw a curve. And then a sleeping line. So children, this is number 5. Children, let us write number 6 now. So for 6, what we have to do? We have to draw a curve like this and another curve joining the big curve. Okay? Now let's do it once more. A curve like this and another curve joining the big curve. So children, this is 6. Parents, in the initial days of their writing, it may be difficult for the child to write alone. So for that, you can use this process. Look at the board. See, I have given some dots and you can ask the child to trace the dots. See how I am doing? I am joining the dots and I am making the sleeping line. See, with this sleeping line and then with this standing line, I will make the number 7. Okay? So I have joined the dots and make the number 7. Now children, we are going to write the next number, that is number 8. To write 8, we need to draw a one big curve and another curve joining the first one. Okay, so let's see. See, I have given the dot. From this dot, I am going to draw a curve like this and another curve joining the first one. So children, this is 8. Children, tell me which number comes after 8? Yes, it's number 9. So let's see how we are going to write number 9. First, we are going to put a dot. From this dot, we are going to write number 9. So we will make a curve, then move it to upward and then we will draw a standing line like this. So children, this is 9. Children, let's revise the numbers that we have written till now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 1, 0, 10. Look children, there are two numbers, 1 and 0. So these two numbers make the number 10. But there are two digits. So where we are supposed to write number 1? We are going to write 1 under tens and 0 under ones. Okay, so let's do it. For that, I am going to put 2 dots in the middle of the block and then I am going to first draw 1, that is a standing line like this, and we will write 0 under ones like this. Okay, so 1 and 0 make the number 10. After 10 comes the number 11. So what are the two numbers that make 11? 1 and 1. So let's write 11. So we are going to write 1 under tens. So I am putting the dot. Okay. Then we are going to write 1, that is a standing line, under T, that is tens, and another one under O, that is ones. So 1 and 1 is 11. Children, now we are going to write number 12. 1 and 2 make the number 12. See how we are going to write 12? we are going to write 1 under tens and 2 under ones. First, put 2 dots, 1 dot under tens and another one under ones. From this dot, I am going to draw 1, that is under tens, and we are going to draw 2, that is a big curve and a sleeping line. Okay, so this is number 2. So 1 to 12. And children, be very careful that we should touch the bottom line of the block while writing. Children, tell me which number comes after 12? Yes, you all are right. It's 13. 1, 3, 13. Let's see how we can write 13. Again, we are going to put dots, and then first we are going to write 1, that is under tens, and then we are going to write 3, that is under ones. So children, 1 and 3 is 13. Let's write number 14. 1 and 4 make the number 14. Okay. So all of you look here, children. So again, ma'am is going to put 2 dots, 1 under tens and 1 under ones. Now you tell me, where will I write 1? Yes, we will write 1 under tens. Okay, and 4 under ones. For 4, we are going to draw a standing line, then sleeping line, and then again another standing line. Look, this is 4. So 1 and 4 make the number 14. The next number after 14 is 1, 5, 15. So children, let's write number 15. So put dots in the middle of the block, and then we are going to write number 1 under tens, and then we are going to write number 5, that is a standing line, then curve and a sleeping line. So this is 5. So 1, 5, 15. So the next number after 1, 5, 15 is 1, 6, 16. So let's see how we can write number 16, children. We are going to put dots, okay, in the block. Now we are going to write 1 under tens and 6 under ones. Okay, children. So 1 and 6 is 16. Children, now we are going to write number 17. 1, 7, 17. So let's see how we can write number 17. First, again put dots in the middle of the block. Okay, like this. And then we are going to write 1 under tens and 7 under ones. Okay, sleeping line, then standing line will make the number 7. So 1 and 7 is 17. Children, now we are going to write 18. 1, 8, 18. Now you are going to tell me, where shall I write 1? Is it under tens or is it under ones? Yes, you all are right. We are going to write 1 under tens and 8 under ones. So first, let's put dots. Okay, now we are going to write 1 under tens and 8 under ones. Okay, children. So 1 and 8 make the number 18. Children, let's write number 19. After 18 comes the number 19. 1 and 9 make the number 19. So children, let's give dots in the block and then we are going to write 1 under tens and then we are going to write 9 under ones. Okay, so 1 and 9 will make the number 19. Children, can you tell me which number comes after 19? Yes, it's 20. 20. Let's see how we can write the number. So first we are going to put dots in the middle of the block and then we are going to write 2 under tens and 0 under ones. Okay, so let's do it. For 2 we need to draw a big curve and a sleeping line. Okay children, see, I have drawn a sleeping line. Be very careful, you should touch the bottom line of the block and then we are going to write 0 under ones. Okay, so this is 20. And be very careful children, your writing should not go beyond the block. So children, we have learned how to write the numbers from 1 to 20. Parents, I just want to share some views with you. Like in the initial days, when the child is writing the numbers, you can use the concept of tracing that I have shown you while writing the number 7. And also, whenever the child is writing, use the concept of tens and ones. So when they will write a single digit number, they will develop the concept that we should write it under ones, and when there is a double digit number, they should write it using tens and ones. I hope you like this video, and for more videos you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you.